everyone. Please put our phone away. We have important review for this coming exam. Class, take note. This material is crucial to your upcoming exam.
Did she say something important?
I don't know. I catch up later. They're missing out on everything.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Sopas.
Wait one.
Take your seat.
Dali mo lang kaya
Okay, class. We have our exam and keep your face After finish class, so I have here the result and reaching the high score. Others the low grade score.
I'm feeling great. I thought I understand the material. How did this happen? Didn't even get half of these questions, right?
Did you all pay attention during the review?
We were distracted by our phones. I tried to focus, but most of them didn't.
I guess we missed a lot. This is really bad. We let our phone distract us. It affecting everything, not just our grades.
Yes, we're losing focus on important things like our studies and even our time together. We need to change our habit. Let's try to be present and less dependent on our phones.
Maybe we should have phone free times during the class times. This is really
That sounds like a good idea.
Good morning, class.
Good morning. Thank you, ma'am.
Class, please come. Please your notebook. Dito yung unahin.
Guys, as we decided yesterday, let's put our phones away so we can focus in class.
This chapter 1, verse 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth.
It's good to see you all focused. I hope this make a big difference in your performance.
Guys, that's what we decided yesterday. Guys, that's what we decided yesterday.